if without even looking at the futures, I would tell you that the markets are trading lower. As the 10-year yield goes up, always anticipate, at least for now, markets go in the opposite direction. There will be a turning point where that doesn't exist anymore. For this market, it absolutely does. All right, now what we have to do, we have to flip over to the bigger time frame. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Now, again, this was a common theme. I saw this yesterday. I saw fear. I saw panic as the 10-year was rising. The key here is you, as a trader, you become agnostic. You become a robot. For me, how do I look at this? Well, basically, as we look at this, right, and I'm going to zoom in right now, what have I talked about in every single game plan? I've said to you guys, listen, as long as the topping tail exists, that is your high point. Okay, now yesterday, big move up. Did you close above that high point? The answer is no. Today, are we above it yet? No. If we do get above it, watch to see if you get a daily close above it. As a trader, you remain and say this is the dominant thing in the chart until proven otherwise. That is the king. That is the queen. That is what you refer to. If we close above it, this candle has been dethroned and you can continue up on your way. Target for the 10-year would be 5%, and then 5.3% would be your next couple targets. If we do negate that, and again, I don't know if we will, no one knows. If we do, what do we start doing? As we head north of 5, let's say, we start looking for more reversal signals. Do we get a new topping tail? Do we hit a new major trend line? Do we get a time count? These are the things that in my brain I look at. But basically my point is that this is your dominant candle. That's all that matters. Okay, let's continue on here. Let's flip over to the dollar. So again, let's talk about what the dollar has done here. This is the 10-minute chart of the US dollar. Lots of chop. You can see we did get a little push up after those economic numbers. So again, the dollar strengthened a little bit. To me, what does that tell me? Again, markets are probably selling. Flipping over to the daily chart of the DXY, we're still below this pivot point and this trend line. Now again, understand this. This is almost a little bit of a bullish pattern here. So you may go up and retest this line. That would still be under resistance. This line, you would look to short it and expect a pullback off of it if we do that. All right, so again, use the trend lines, use the candle formations. They are there to guide you and take away emotion. It becomes very much a matter of what is the chart telling me, not what I'm telling the chart. Too many people go into trades and they say to themselves, I think this is going to happen. I really hope this is going to happen. I pray that this is going to happen. And you know what happens? The market crushes them. It's when you start saying, chart, tell me, do I need to be bullish or bearish on this chart? That's when you look at the chart and you let it talk to you. It's the most powerful change that you can make in your trading. I'm telling you right now.